Hey, good afternoon. This is Brad Langdon of MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Sea Ray 270 sun deck. If you come forward with me, you'll see that we have ample seating for 4 up front. You have a ladder up front, a freshwater washdown. You have plenty of storage underneath your seats, both sides. Cup holders and in-floor storage as well. Moving aft, you have storage underneath the dash. The table stores under there as well. Off to the port side, you have a head area with a sink and a porthole window. You also have a lockable glove box here. Seating fore and aft, you have your double captain's chair here, double captain's chair here, 12-inch Simrad touchscreen, all your stainless steel toggle switches, and a Fusion Apollo stereo. Moving aft, you have an L-shaped seating aft. You have a stadium seating here. It'll accommodate easily up to 6 people. You have in-floor storage here as well with snap-in seat deck. Here you have a bimini top with a boot cover to store the bimini top. And looking aft, you have a sun pad area. The port side raises up as well as the center to make a backrest and a more comfortable seat. A massive swim platform with a fold-down swim step. Again, this is a walkthrough of a 270 Sea Ray sun deck. Come see us at Lake Norman. My name is Brad Langdon. The number to call is 704-215-3599. Thank you.